Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on Zara. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zara.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zara website. Click on the login button at the top right corner and you will see the login section at the left. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up within the email address section and enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Zara account right away. And now you can immediately start shopping using your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Zara. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.